Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how you can review the inventory of your materials. So everyone in the class has the same set of materials. The only difference is the material numbers. The last three digits are your numbers, are your last three digits of your SAP username. So for example, EAPD 1002 is GBI 002's material. That's elbow pants. While EPAD 1014 is GBI 014's material. So the last three digits of this material number is different for everyone. So your number will be in the last three digits of the material number. Okay, so just remember this three sign refers to the last three digits of your SAP username. So what we are going to do in this video is to when you are going to review your materials inventory, you need to search first search your material by using this. I'm going to show this, and the navigation path is here, or you can use the transaction code MB52. So we'll go to the navigation part, and then I'll show you how to search for your material. So go to, you can also find the detailed information from the SAP exercise 03 supplement PDF file I upload in the D2L. So first go to the SAP system, go to logistics, go to material management, and go to inventory management, and go to environment, and then go to stock. And there are many things you can choose from. This one we will choose warehouse stock. So we'll see how many materials are installed in your warehouse. So double click on this, and then you can see the only thing you need is to input the material number that you want to check the inventory. So, but you have no idea about the material number. So let's search for your material number. So look at this search button. If you click the mouse into this box, and you will see this search button. Click on this search button, and you will see a search box. So make sure that you are at the material number, material description tab. There are so many different tabs for you to search your materials. Let's take a look at, you can click on this one. So there are so many ways for you to search for a material, by bill of material, by class, by material group, or other things. So make sure you choose the material number, material description. So the first box is material description, but you may type into the wrong words, and so we normally do not use material description. We just use the material, this. So this box is where you can enter the material number. Okay, but you have no idea about what number you should have. So we will use a wild card, this sign, and then the last three digits of your SAP username. For example, for mine is 002. So what you need is to put a star and then the last three digits of your username into this box, and this gives all your materials. So let's click on OK, start search, and you can see this is all your material. This is all your material, and you can click on the material description, and it can sort by the first letter or first number. So let's see, and this is how you can find your material. And look at the exercise. So you are going to check the inventory for your elbow pants. So you go to this list and find elbow pants. Where's the elbow pant? This is the elbow pants, and that's the material you are going to check the inventory. Double click on that. So this is the material number, as I talk about, EAP EPAD 1002. You can look at all the material numbers. The last three digits are mine. So double click on this, and then this number is entered into that. So we'll enter this number, and let's click on execute. And this gives you the inventory about elbow pants, about your elbow pants. Okay, if you resize this window, you can see. So let's take a look at this information. On the first column is material, okay, and you can see uh, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of information. For each piece of information, you have several lines. For the first column, first line is the material number. The second line is the storage location. So TG00 refers to trading goods storage location. So in the warehouse, you have several designated areas for storing different types of materials: raw material, semi-finished material, trading goods, finished goods. So this elbow pen, this type of trading goods. And let's take a look at the second column. It's the material description. This is elbow pens and unrestricted units. That's 0, and total value in currency. So that's 0. So that means you have nothing in your warehouse. You do not have any elbow pads in your warehouse. Okay. So the third column is transit, meaning that the material is in transit, in a truck somewhere on the roads, but not in a warehouse anymore. And then the next column is in quality inspection, restricted use, blocked, and returns. So different types of materials. Anyway, we'll talk about different types later on, but let's take a look at the 4 pieces of information. They are in 4 different warehouses. The first one is in the Heidelberg, in Germany. This is a plant. HD00 is the plant number, and Hamburg is HH00. That's another warehouse. And you have a distribution center at Miami, so MI00. And then you have San Diego distribution center, SD0. So these 4 pieces of information refers to the 4 warehouses. So for all 4 warehouses, you do not have any elbow pens. Okay, you'll see 0. So throughout SAP exercise 03, you will see the changes of these inventories. So before purchase, you should be 0. After you received the elbow pens into your warehouse, you will see the numbers, okay, showing here. Okay, you'll need this video to do exercise 03. So if you don't know how to check out this, go back to this video and check it out.